Latest digital trends. Spotify tests making lyrics a premium feature. WhatsApp rolls out new instant video message toggle for Android, iOS. Google's adding voice memos to the Wear OS Messages app. Google Ads URL contains targeting functionality to Performance Max. Spotify is testing making lyrics a premium-only feature. Meta to deprecate Facebook news in the UK, Germany, and France. WhatsApp is developing a history-sharing feature for group chats. Microsoft introduces audience features in advertising editor. Google is changing Android branding with a 3D logo. Meta may remove ads on Facebook and Instagram for subscribers in Europe. Google brings social videos to the Play Store to influence your next download. TikTok explores new in-app messaging and engagement options. Apple working to bring new macOS game mode to iOS 17. Google Photos starts adding support for Android 14's upcoming Ultra HDR format. YouTube adds Shorts links, limits links elsewhere. For more digital trend visit kiranvaliti.com.